Keep a dry microfiber cloth on your cart and wipe small horizontal surfaces like plug covers every shift. For office environments, the simplest routine starts with selecting a high-quality microfiber cloth because its fibers trap dust without needing moisture and reduce the chance of particles becoming airborne. Train staff to include plug covers and similar small horizontal areas on a written checklist so they are not overlooked. List them under routine touchpoints and have the cleaner initial beside each item. Use a gentle single-pass wiping technique from clean to dirty to avoid recontaminating areas, and fold the cloth periodically to expose a clean face. Avoid damp or wet cloths near electrical devices to eliminate shock or short-circuit risks, and never spray cleaners directly onto plugs. If dust has built up, use compressed air in short bursts from a safe distance before wiping, and follow with the dry microfiber to capture loosened dust. Replace or launder microfiber cloths regularly according to manufacturer guidance so they remain effective and do not smear dust back onto surfaces. The most common mistake is skipping small items because they take little time yet visibly degrade cleanliness. Solve this by making them explicit line items on the shift checklist that staff sign off on. A second issue is using damp cloths or spray-on cleaners, which create electrical hazards. Solve this by training teams to use only dry microfiber for plug covers and to keep liquids away from outlets. A third problem is using worn or dirty cloths that redeposit dust. Solve this by instituting a cloth rotation and laundering schedule and keeping spare cloths on the cart so staff can switch when a cloth becomes saturated. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community discussion forum where people share practical cleaning and maintenance tips relevant to small surface care. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with homeowners and participate in the discussion community to demonstrate expertise and build local connections.